Sufficiently confident after the success of the space probes Pioneer 10 and 11, sent as the pathfinders of the outer solar system, NASA took advantage of the rare configuration of the solar system that occurs only every 176 years, launching the twin space probes Voyager 1 and 2 in 1977. Both probes went on to write among the most beautiful pages of the space exploration era. Voyager 1 discovered a ring of Jupiter with suspicion of a subsurface ocean on Europa, and the unexpected active volcanism of Io coming to light. It added 2 moons, Thebe and Metis, to the Jovian system, unveiling 5 new moons orbiting Saturn, and discovered the G ring. Before ending her planetary odyssey, the probe ignited the passion for Titan. His mysteries remained unchallenged, opening the way for the Cassini mission. 3 decades later, it became the first man-made object to speed through interstellar space. Her twin sister probe Voyager 2 took the bet of accomplishing the grand tour of the outer solar system, but not before discovering the moon Adrastea, the first natural satellite discovered from images taken by a space probe. More indirect evidence was added to the possibility of subsurface oceans on Europa. In 1986, for the first time and never equaled, Voyager flew by the ice giant Uranus, discovering 11 new moons: Cordelia, Ophelia, Bianca, Cressida, Desdemona, Juliet, Portia, Rosalind, Belinda, Puck, and Perdita. The space probe showed a tormented geology of Miranda and added 2 new rings to the ones discovered by airborne observations in the 70s from Earth. At last, in August 1986, the final of the grand tour of the solar system with the flyby of the Neptunian system. Voyager 2 registered the most violent winds in the solar system on Neptune. The Valiant space probe discovered 6 new moons: Despina, Galatea, Larissa, Proteus, Naiad, and Thalossa. Triton, the biggest moon of Neptune, was geologically active with cryovolcanoes and showed to astronomers what they could expect to find on Pluto, until then unexplored. Stephen Pine wrote, and I quote, "Voyager did things no one predicted, found scenes no one expected, and promises to outlive its inventors. Like a great painting, or an abiding institution, it has acquired an existence of its own, a destiny beyond the grasp of its handlers. However, there is yet a book to be written on the impact that those 2 extraordinary emissaries of humanity have had on our awareness of our solar system."